Bloody mental.
Let's go bloody mental.
They got hooters. Good morning, guys. Lou from the Travelling Maid. Alex is just finishing on the pisser, and welcome back to a new vlog. And probably the bestest day looking at the moment so far. Put my hair in plait last night because I washed my hair, so I like it to come out all wavy. So we are just heading down to breakfast with the fam. So we'll be heading down in a bit.
Morning, everyone. How are we all this morning? Back again, just had a fantastic breakfast. Bit of research.
Yes, we did.
I just want to quickly say though, guys, thank you so much for the support recently on the TikTok stuff. We've been trying a few different bits and pieces on the TikTok channel, you know, to get you guys, you know, involved with sort of the where we are kind of thing. I don't know if we have told you this, guys, but obviously we have to do all of the editing process. We have to do
very lengthy process.
All of the video process. What we sometimes try and do for you guys is to try and put up small bits of filler so you guys aren't waiting around for the video to come up, or, you know, sort of going, oh, I've got nothing to watch. So because of this, you guys have been really blowing up the TikTok stuff and obviously the Instagram stuff. So I just want to say thank you very much for the support. We are currently on our way to do some shopping. Yeah, we come here for the sights and sounds. Well, we can also spend our hard-earned money, can't we?
Yeah, why not?
You know, so I think we'll give you guys a bit of a time lapse. It will take us a while to get there. We are going into Home Bargains just for a browse. Might not get anything important, but we'll see. Just had a quick walk around the, I forgot where we are.
The harbour
Side. But guys, it's time for a competition time. If you can locate our sticker, get a shout out and a £10 voucher of your choice. So leave a comment in the description or follow us on our Instagram page. Good hunting. everybody, there's some groundbreaking discovery that has just happened in Liverpool now. You know there was 4 members of the Beatles. There's actually 5. John, Paul, George, Ringo and Lou.
Gone along the dock, got away from Mr. Creepy Man.
Basically, long story short, we were trying to sort out the GoPro because for some reason it wouldn't record the bit we wanted to record. This guy came up to us on a bike and started chatting fucking waffle, and like we said in the previous vlog in our London adventure, Lou gets very public anxiety, especially around new people. So the best piece of advice I can give you,
don't sit around for too long.
Well, yeah, to be fair, that's pretty good advice.
It's basically,
like Lou said, don't sit around for too long, and make sure that you've got a way of sort of leaving the situation. If you're one of those people that can happily walk away and be rude about it, just literally just get up and go, but try and not aggravate the person. Sort of just go, look, I gotta go, I've got something important.
to be fair, he did smell like booze.
Did he?
Yeah, he stunk of booze.
Not gonna lie, I didn't notice.
And he also smelled a little bit like he hadn't showered.
Well, I didn't notice any of that part because I was literally
Well, he was next to me.
Yeah, but I was trying to get us out of the situation. I had no idea. FYI.
Don't talk to strange cunt.
Well, not necessarily. You can talk to strangers because then you do meet some fascinating people.
Just make sure they're not smelling of alcohol and slurring their words.
When you do more traveling stuff, you'll understand different characters. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So you understand the people who are worthy of a chat, and you understand the people who you need to avoid with a 10-foot barge pole.
In other news, we're about to head to a tour. We got it at 1:15, which is within the next 10 minutes. Luckily, we're not far from location.
Yeah, literally, we're sort of walking a little bit quicker because I need a wee.
We both need the toilet, and we always leave it so short wherever we are to go to the toilet. So we're at our tour. So we are going to be going in the Liver building. Show you bits that we need to see.
When I saw these photos of absolutely no health and safety insights whatsoever. You've got these fellas in a 3-piece suit and a flat cap. It looks like a mustache was part of the uniform, but a hard hat wasn't. No, the Society actually published the fact that 0 people died during construction. I don't know about you, that sounds like an absolute lie. It's more likely we think to have probably been in the hundreds. So why did they cover this up? Well, of course, you know, they were a life insurance company. It wouldn't have been the best press on their part, would it? You have the names of about 8 people who were said to have passed away during the construction of the building, one of which apparently died falling down the exact elevator shaft we're about to go up in, but it is too late to drop out now. The doors are locked, unfortunately. Now, the grand opening ceremony upon the building's completion was a very exciting day. So exciting, in fact, 3,000 people showed up to watch a local celebrity come and open the building. Who was this celebrity? It was actually a donkey called Judy. Now, Judy the donkey had made a name for herself during rides in Prince's Park. You can actually still go and visit her grave there, which gives you an insight into how famous she really was. But to get her to cut the ribbon, they ran into a bit of a problem. There's no donkey-sized scissors. So instead, they had to smear it with peanut butter so that she would bite into it. Because you're high up, so whatever the weather is down low, it's always worse high up. So, yeah. If we look up, you're looking at the largest electronic clock in the UK. It's 25.5 feet in diameter and in fact bigger than the clock on Big Ben. Just one of many reasons the North is better than the South, of course. I guess it's named the Great George, and in fact it was set at the exact moment that King George V was coronated on the 22nd of June 1911 at 1:40 p.m. Its face is made of opal glass. A couple of bits have smashed over time, they've been replaced with perspex, but the handle alone are 14 feet wide, weigh 2 tons and are made of gunmetal. German sculptor called Carl Bernhard Bartels. He visited from Stuttgart on his honeymoon, loved it so much in the UK, he settled down here for 27 years. It was at this point that he won a sculpting competition, allowing him the opportunity to design the liver bed for this building. The liver bed has always been the official symbol of Liverpool ever since we were granted city status in 1207, but I think most locals would agree as a symbol it would not be anywhere near as iconic. They're a fictional bird based off real ones such as cormorants, but with elements of mythology sort of mixed in there as well. Tragically, Carl's story does not end there. 3 years after the building was complete, World War I broke out, and Carl was a German living in the UK. He was automatically perceived as a threat, regardless of the fact that he'd lived here for nearly 30 years, had British-born children, and British citizenship. He was therefore sent to a prisoner of war camp on the Isle of Man. He did find his way back to the UK eventually. He died peacefully at the age of 89, but returned to find the liver bed still standing, but not his reputation. In fact, all records that he'd ever designed the liver bed had been destroyed by the society, meaning he received no recognition for them at all in his lifetime. However, though, the truth finally came out, and Carl was posthumously awarded the Citizen of Honour Award, collected by his great-grandson, who was actually found to just be living in Birkenhead this entire time. Funny how things do come full circle like that.
Finished our tour up the Liver building.
Big shout out to our tour guide. Unfortunately we didn't grab his name, but he was ever so brilliant, very knowledgeable about the building itself. Ever in Liverpool and you want to give the Liver building a go, I would highly recommend. We'll leave a link in the description where we bought our tickets and enjoy it for yourselves. We're now currently on our way to do a bit more shopping, shocker, but we are going to have a bit of a shopping spree. And then a cheeky beverage, you know. And
then we're going to get back to the hotel, suited and booted, ready for our meal. Bloody mental.
Let's go bloody mental.
They got Hooters.
Boobies. We are now back in the room, all suited and booted after a lovely bit of shopping. As usual, I am suited and booted, but I'm not the best looking person here. Look at Smush. Doesn't she look absolutely fabulous? Little darlies, little jumpsuit, and a lovely bit of face makeup. Look at that. Gorgeous. But we're off to somewhere special tonight. We are off to the Slug and Lettuce, somewhere that we actually haven't tried before. Afterwards, we shall mention it to them. No. Gonna keep it a secret. So, give us a few minutes, and then we shall see you at the Slug and Lettuce. So everybody, we are currently in Slug and Lettuce. We have gone for the chicken pasta, so let's give this a try. With the chicken pasta. I have to admit, lovely texture on the chicken. Pasta's been cooked to perfection.
So, I have the same as Alex. Pasta. Chicken. I'm going to give that an 8.
I'm going to give this an 8 as well. Hey everybody, we are now out of the Slug and Lettuce. We are currently now in the world-renowned Cavern Club. So I'm going to give you guys a quick tour around and hopefully you enjoy.
So we are nearly finished in getting our stuff ready to head home tomorrow. It's just the last little bit. I'm also going to round off today's vlog. I have taken my makeup off, so that's why my eyes are a bit blur. Today was a really good day. It's been nice to return back to one of our favourite destinations ever. So we've got clothes sorted for tomorrow. We're practically nearly there. It's just a few things we need to pack. I hate packing, but I know I'm probably one of the bestest ones in the family to do it, because I have a routine and I have things to put in play. Alex isn't here. He's gone outside for a cigarette to just leave me alone to pack. So as usual, I'll sign off. It's Lou from the Travelling Maze, and it's also Alex from the Travelling Maze, and we'll catch you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye guys.